Hey guys, how's it going today? I finally got around to setting up the Bestway Steel Pro MAX 15 feet by 42 inches ground swimming pool in my backyard. And after a few weekends of splashing around, here's my honest take on what shines and what could use some work. From the start, I was impressed by how straightforward the assembly felt. The click-fit steel frame pieces slid together smoothly, and the Tri-Tech 3-ply reinforced liner snapped over the frame in under an hour. No special tools required, just the filter pumps, hoses, and a garden hose to start filling. By the time the pool hit its 90% water level, around 2,466 gallons, the structure felt rock solid. Even when my two kids and I jumped side by side, there was no noticeable bending or flexing of the walls. Speaking of size, at 15 feet in diameter and 42 inches tall, this pool really delivers on space. It's tall enough that an adult can stand comfortably in most places, and there's plenty of room for multiple family members to play without bumping elbows. I've hosted several afternoon hangouts, and the pool never felt cramped, even with 4 or 5 people in it. The included filter pump, rated at 530 gallons per hour, keeps the water surprisingly clear. I ran it for about 8 hours daily, and with routine chemical treatments, algae growth has been minimal. Swapping out the filter cartridge is as easy as popping off the housing lid and snapping in a fresh cartridge, though I will say the replacement cartridges add a bit to the ongoing cost. Bestway bundles and handy extras: a corrosion-resistant ladder, a ground cloth, and a cover. The ground cloth provides a nice layer of protection under the pool, and the cover does a good job of keeping leaves and debris out overnight. The ladder, however, feels like the pool's weakest link. It wobbles a bit when I climb up, and the plastic steps have a slight give that makes me double-check my balance. It works, but I wouldn't rely on it for younger kids or anyone with mobility concerns without extra caution. Filling the pool is a commitment, about 2 hours on my standard garden hose. Draining isn't any quicker. Attaching the drain valve to a hose helps direct water away from my patio, but it still took nearly 40 minutes to empty completely. If you've got poor yard drainage, or you hate babysitting a draining hose, brace yourself. Durability has been pretty good so far, but I've learned to be careful about what goes in and out. My inflatable pool toys have sharp bits of plastic that can scratch the liner if I'm not careful. Bestway's patch kit worked perfectly on a small tear I accidentally caused, but it's better to avoid punctures in the first place. Aesthetic-wise, the painted stone pattern exterior looks fine from a distance, but up close the print is a little flimsy. Some spots showed peeling during setup. It doesn't affect performance, but it's one of those you get what you pay for details. Overall, the Bestway Steel Pro MAX 15 feet by 42 inches ground swimming pool has been a fantastic addition to my summer routine. It's spacious, easy to assemble, and holds up well under regular use. Just be prepared for a slightly noisy pump, a so-so ladder, and the time investment for filling and draining. For the price and the sheer enjoyment it's brought to my family, these are minor trade-offs, and I'm already looking forward to next weekend's pool party. Highly recommended. If you guys have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.